My name's Stuart Solon. I'm a criminal defense attorney here in Arizona, and in this video I'm going to talk about when DUI is considered a misdemeanor. So DUI is a very common crime in Arizona, and Arizona also punishes DUI really harshly, especially compared to other states. Other states, DUI, you can just get off if you're convicted with probation, maybe a fine. Now, that's not the case in Arizona. In Arizona, there's mandatory jail time for any DUI conviction. Now, that doesn't mean that just because you've been arrested for a DUI that you're going to be convicted of a DUI or that you will have to do jail time. But that is what would happen if you went to trial and lost on a DUI. There are different types of crimes, and there's felony DUI and misdemeanor DUI. So in this video, what I want to do is explain when a DUI is a misdemeanor. And the short answer to that is that it usually is a misdemeanor. DUI, some people think that the BAC, the amount of alcohol in the person's blood, determines whether the DUI is a misdemeanor or a felony, but that's not the case. The level of BAC just determines what level of misdemeanor DUI you might be facing. So if the BAC is over a .08, then you'd be facing what's called a regular DUI. If the BAC is over a .15, it would be an extreme. And if the BAC is over a .20, it would be a super extreme. And I have other videos that discuss those specific types of DUI in more detail. But they're all misdemeanors. They're all misdemeanors. So it doesn't matter what level of BAC the blood results come back at. If there's no what are called aggravating circumstances, then that DUI is going to be a misdemeanor. And for a misdemeanor, it's going to be prosecuted in what's called a limited jurisdiction court. And that's going to be either a city court like Scottsdale City Court, Phoenix City Court, Gilbert, or a justice court if it's being prosecuted by the county. So something like West Mesa Justice Court or Santan Justice Court. Those are other types of courts that will prosecute misdemeanor DUIs. The Superior Court is only going to be for prosecuting DUIs that are felonies. Just a regular garden variety DUI becomes a felony under certain aggravating circumstances. So, for example, this video is not going to go into all of those, but if you are driving while your license is suspended, then regardless of the BAC, that's going to make the DUI a felony. Or if you're driving while there is a child under the age of 15 in the car, that'll make the DUI a felony. If you're driving on the wrong side of a highway, again, that makes the DUI a felony or an aggravated DUI. Has nothing to do with the BAC. Now, if you have been charged with a DUI, then my recommendation is definitely contact a criminal defense attorney. Contact a criminal defense attorney that you think you can trust, that'll provide you with competent legal advice and has been doing this for a while. I've been prosecuting DUIs and defending DUIs, so I've worked on both sides of the aisle when it comes to these charges for over 13 years. I know the ins and outs of DUIs, what can get charges reduced or dismissed. I can't, I'm just talking to you over the internet. I don't know anything about your case, so I can't guarantee anything for your case, but I can tell you that in previous cases, I've dealt with other clients where I've been able to get their charges reduced, dismissed, make it so that they don't have to go to jail. And what I would want to do if you became a client is work as hard as I can to find out if those type of resolutions would be a possibility for you. So please give my office a call if you'd like to discuss your DUI charges. Be happy to give you a free case evaluation, a consultation on your case. But regardless, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in another video.